From GlobalX Canada, I'm Chen. In the next few minutes, I'll walk through the rise of stablecoin and tokenization, and how our new ETF, TOKN, offers Canadians a way to invest in the firms powering this evolution. Over the past few years, the financial world has started to experience one of the biggest infrastructure upgrades in decades. Payments are becoming instant, trading is moving to 24/7, and a growing share of financial assets, from US treasuries to money market funds to even private company shares, are being converted into digital tokens. This shift is being powered by two forces: stablecoins and tokenization. And together, they're reshaping how value moves through the global economy. So, stablecoins are digital tokens designed to maintain a stable value that are usually pegged one-to-one to the US dollar, but issued on blockchain rails. Unlike volatile cryptocurrencies, stablecoins are a form of tokenized cash. They move across borders in seconds, cost less than 10 cents to send, and operate 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, and adoption is accelerating. Major issuers like USDC and USDT now facilitate $20 to $30 billion in on-chain payment every day. Still less than 1% of global money flows, but growing at an exponential rate. Why? Because they offer meaningful improvements over traditional payment methods, including instant settlement instead of waiting 1 to 3 days, lower fees, especially across borders, transparent and fully traceable transactions, no banking hour limitations, and programmability for smart contracts that can automate compliance, payout, and more. On to tokenization. If stablecoins are tokenized cash, tokenization is everything else. Tokenization is the process of turning real-world assets into digital tokens on blockchain, allowing them to trade globally, transfer instantly, and settle in near real time. We've already seen this happening at scale. BlackRock's BUIDL fund was the first institutional tokenized treasury fund to hit $1 billion USD. Trading platforms are also following suit. Robinhood and Kraken now support tokenized equity trading. Even private companies like OpenAI and SpaceX are seeing secondary market tokenization occur. The trend is clear. We're moving from a world of T+1 settlement to a world of T+0. Always on financial markets. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink put it simply, we're at the beginning of tokenization of all assets. Now, here's the important connection. Tokenized assets can only settle instantly if the cash leg of the transaction is also tokenized. If you buy a tokenized bond with regular cash, the bond moves instantly, but the cash still travels through banks and clearinghouses. That breaks the system. Stablecoins solve this. They allow both sides of a transaction, cash and the asset, to settle on the same digital ledger. That's why every major tokenization initiative today, from JPM Coin to BUIDL to Franklin's tokens, relies on stablecoins behind the scenes. It's also why global banks, payment networks, and asset managers are racing to build stablecoin and tokenization infrastructure. We're early in this transition, but the economic impact is already visible. Brokerages that embraced tokenization early have seen dramatic performance differences. Robinhood's move into tokenized trading, 24/7 settlement, and blockchain-based products coincided with over 1,200% performance growth in its stock over a 2-year period, compared with far slower adoption among traditional peers. And globally, major banks are running experiments. JP Morgan's JPM Coin now clears over $1 billion per day in on-chain payments. Central banks across Asia and Europe are piloting tokenized currencies for interbank settlement. This isn't theoretical innovation, it's happening today. That brings us to the ticker TOKN. TOKN is designed to give investors targeted exposure to companies driving and benefiting from the finance industry of the future, driven by stablecoins and tokenization. TOKN tracks the Murray Asset Stablecoin and Tokenization Index, which focuses on 3 sub-themes: token investment platforms and vehicles, the companies enabling access to tokenized assets and finance, like JP Morgan, BlackRock, Coinbase Global, and Futu Holdings. Neobanks and tokenized finance, which are digital-first banking platforms integrating stablecoins and tokenized products, including companies like Sophie Technologies and Swissquote Group, and token payment solutions and infrastructure, aka the payment network modernizing settlement using blockchain and stablecoins. Those include companies like MasterCard and Fiserv. Stablecoins and tokenizations are reshaping how value moves, speeding up payments, unlocking 24/7 markets, and transforming the backbone of global finance. As adoption accelerates among institutions, regulators, and payment networks worldwide, We believe the companies leading this transition represent a powerful long-term theme in the modernization of financial infrastructure. To learn more about the Global X ticker TOKN, visit our website. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.